Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. Happy Monday morning. Just a real quick update on the market. Current inventory right now through Southwest Florida, we're at 246, so 24,640 units. So up again. Inventory is quite high, to be honest, going through our sector based on population. If we kind of break it down into what's basically low-rise residential versus condominiums, like high-rise residential, and that includes like low-rise condos, like 1 or 2 stories. We're at 16,795 units for low-rise residential and 7,845 with the like condo market, and we had about 288 sales in the last week, which is decent. At least things are kind of keep flowing. But we notice obviously things are sitting in the market for quite a while. You need to constantly price adjust. We've noticed like this stagnant period where sellers not adjusting prices and buyers kind of sitting on the wings. We've seen a lot more momentum coming into January, to be honest. But let's talk about Estero right now. So Estero, we're at 933 units, and there's 15% increase in inventory since last week. And I wanted to track it down, and this went all the way into the condo market. So between high-rise and low-rise condo, they've gained 15% of inventory, and then the low-rise sector just gained like 3 units over the last 7 days, which is good, obviously. We had 12 sales in all of Estero last week, so if you can count them almost off your hand, it's pretty. It is what it is. Small market, right? It's a population of 30,000. Good news is we got an HOA email for Verdana Village this week, or last week rather, and they just stated how many homes are actually occupied or at least owned right now in our community. We're at 1,120 units owned currently, and obviously that's not tracking the ones that are closing, that are under construction currently right now. But 1,120 homes, that's amazing. Obviously phase 1 is we have 1,200 homes, and phase 2 will be the same. So that's one phase almost filled, and there's obviously some home sites available for purchase. I always telling clients, if you can still get a beautiful preserve or onto a lake currently right now, try to buy phase 1. And the only reason is because of the we're complete, so you won't have any construction. So basically hopefully in the next few years we're going to get the last coat of pavement, because obviously there's still a coarse pavement right now, if you kind of see the lip between the curbs and the actual asphalt. So that'll be all nicely done. You won't have any more construction vehicles passing through the area, and it'll be complete, and everything would be pushed off onto the other side. So if you do use the resident gate, which I do because it's closer to my home, I won't see any work vehicles anymore, which is great. And so they also reported 978 homes closed through all of last year up to December 31st of last year, which is amazing. So that's why there's so many more residents. If you kind of look at our amenity center right now currently, because it's in a complete form with the restaurant and bar, it is packed. We were there on Saturday night, or Friday night rather. We couldn't even get a seat. It was like a hot spot, and the bar was packed and the parking lot was packed, and it's good. It's turning out to be a really, really nice community. Very happy about that. And talking about homes for sale in Verdana, so like Pulte and Lennar, they've reduced what their incentives right now. Like it used to be $100K, for example, for Pulte. Now it's down to $50K. So don't be fooled by that. Clearly they're trying to take advantage of the snowbird flow right now. Everyone's coming in and having emotions, and this is the best time to buy. When you got emotions and they start buying. But at the same time, there's a lot of room for negotiations. I received a call from a client yesterday, and what was told at the sales office and what I know currently is two different things, and this is why it's always important to go through a third party, someone like myself, to kind of get you guys in there and give you the right consultation, so you can go in there and submit beneficial offers for your pocketbook, basically. So that's pretty much it. You guys have any questions regarding real estate, please reach out. 239-672, I forgot my own number, 0616. Thanks, wife.